So for today's video, I know marami sa inyo nag-aabang nito. Kahit ako, my God, weeks ko nang inaabangan dumating to sa Pinas, you guys. And I'm talking about Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Coffee Edition. So I got a goodie package from Maybelline. Ta-da-da-da! Oh, ang ganda, oh. It's a Superstay Matte Ink Coffee Edition, and this is what it looks like. Okay. And you guys, I have good news. Well, nakabili na ako sa Lazada. So, sabay silang dumating. So, what I'm going to do is, ang isa-swatch ko is yung nabili ko sa Lazada. At eto ang ibibigay ko sa iyo. I'm going to pick a lucky winner for this mechanics later. So, coffee shades, coffee scent, and coffee proof. So we have 5 shades, you guys. Here's the thing. Official launch nito is October 8 and it's for 299 pesos. But you can actually purchase it na sa Lazada because I was able to purchase it sa Lazada. So, go get yours na ngayon na. Pero syempre, panoorin mo muna tong video nito so you would know what are the best shades, or if you want to collect everything. If you want to get everything, I think I got this for 1,400 something. If you have the budget, go get everything. Because honestly, Superstay Matte Ink is one of the best, if not the best, liquid lipstick when it comes to performance. And the price, 299, well, 300 pesos. But, you know, kailangan mo to, lalo na ngayong may pandemic. We always wear masks, and this is a mask-friendly liquid lipstick. Anyway, I have a wear test ng Superstay Matte Ink. I'm gonna link it down below. And then, ililink ko na rin lahat ng videos ko regarding the Superstay Matte Ink. Okay, usahin natin. Ay, teka lang, you guys. Kasama pala sa care package, may pakape si Mayor Day. And this is from Cave Brew or Cave Brew. Ayan, oh. So, I have iced latte. Tikman natin yung iced latte. O, diba? May pa-commercial muna tayo. In fairness, masarap. And then, they also got the cold brew. I love cold brews, you guys. They're so rich and nakakagising. Alam mo yun? Oh, this one is good. I love this. It has the right tapang on it. Check out Cave or Cave, I don't know how to pronounce it, Cave Brew, you guys, and get the cold brew. I love it. I like it. I'm gonna order more. I like that. First shade that we have is Chai Genius 255. Chai Genius. So this is Chai Genius. Parang hindi pa siya super may kape right now. Oh my God, you guys. This is chai latte, and it's like a very beautiful honey. Beautiful. I can't stop looking at my lips. Yung ano, it's kind of nude, but it's brown and it is very, I'm not sure if it's warm or neutral. Pero ang ganda. I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it. So guys, this is chai latte. One of the best shades. Well, hindi ko pa nakikita yung iba. One of the best na agad. Pero I love it. Go get this shade, you guys. Chai latte. Baby, I'm so sorry. It's actually Chai Genius. Why did I say chai latte? Nakita ko kasi yung latte. So, napa-chai latte ako. It's Chai Genius. Alright? Okay. Next shade is Hazelnut Hypnotizer. God, this one smells so sweet. And eto nga pala, si Hazelnut Hypnotizer. This is Chai Genius. It's on the brownie side. Si Hazelnut Hypnotizer is on the pinky side. And you guys, may I just remind you again and again, I always say this every time my video ko ng Superstay Matte Ink. Pag ito in-apply nyo, ganyan, do not pucker your lips. Huwag kayong gaganon. Kasi tacky to eh. So pag gumanon kayo, sisirain nyo yung parang canvas. So guys, this is Hazelnut Hypnotizer. Ganda rin, oh. Yung first 2 shades natin, na masasabi ko rin agad na bagay siya para sa all skin tones. Pero definitely, if you're morena, para itong magmumukhang nude-ish. Alam mo yun? Ganda rin ni Hazelnut Hypnotizer. Next shade is 265 Caramel Collector. So this is what Caramel Collector looks like. So si Chai Genius Brownie, si Hazelnut Hypnotizer on the pinky side, burnt orange entry. Etong si Caramel Collector. Can you see the difference? Alright guys, so this is Caramel Collector. Yeah. Medyo iba dun sa packaging, oh. Pero, burnt orange entry nila to, and it's also nice. So far, so good. Lahat ng shade bet ko. It's not like in-your-face burnt orange. Parang mala nude pa rin yung dating niya. Alam mo yun, subtle, good for everyday. And itong Superstay Matte Ink, particularly itong Coffee Edition, parang nakaka-plump ng lips if you overline. Parang flawlessly yung pag-overline na mangyayari because of the shade or, I don't know. Pero parang napapalapad niya yung labi ko. I love it. Caramel Collector. So, before we proceed, sasabihin ko na yung mechanics for my giveaway. I'm going to give you this, yung PR Package Edition, yung Superstay Matte Ink Coffee Edition. All you have to do is follow me on Instagram, MissBea19. You would know if it's me. And then follow my other account, the personal account, MissBea_1989. That's also me. And you would know. And then yung face ko. And then, like my page, DJ Bea, on Facebook. Pag tinype mong DJ Bea, it's on the 100,000 something likes or followers, something like that. So yun. And Twitter, MissBea19 on Twitter then. Basically, that's it. All you have to do is follow me on all my social media accounts. And then, at the comment section below, comment mo yung iyong social media handles. So I can find you, so I can verify na you did all the steps. You followed me on Instagram, on Twitter, and on Facebook. And what else? Yun lang. And of course, subscribe to my channel, you guys. Malalaman namin if you are a subscriber or not because we have a list of all the subscribers. We can always find your name. So, yeah, yun lang mechanics natin. And then comment down below na you're done and all your social media handles. I might also follow you back. Diba? And I'll be giving you, let's say, a week to do that, and then you're gonna have this. And malay mo, samahan ko pa ng kape. Alright guys, so next shade is called Coco Connoisseur, and this is so me. I'm a Coco Connoisseur. I love cocoa. I love chocolate. Oh my god, that is so deep. That is like maroony red. Maroony. Are you serious? Wow. Day. Day, ang ganda in person, day. I love this. I love this. I love Coco Connoisseur. One of the shades that you must definitely get. Bagay ito sa lahat ng skin tones. It's so sexy, you guys. So sexy, so professional looking. Alam mo yun? So, yeah. This is Coco Connoisseur. So we are down to the last shade, and oh my god, this is so deep, and this is called the Mocha Inventor. Oh my god. I'm so sorry, I kind of butchered the swatch. So yeah, ayun yung difference niya kay Coco Connoisseur. Where Coco Connoisseur is reddish pa. Eto talaga dye, burgundy, and really deep. Diba? Okay, let's try it on our lips. On my lips. God, ang bango. Ito yung pinaka makeup eh. Are you serious? I'm speechless. Dahil, akala ko yung una, hindi ko siya matitripan kasi parang ang dilim. Alam mo yan? Ang dark, ang deep. In person, you guys, it is super duper deep. Para kang emo, para kang kontrabida, kontrabida, ganun. Pero I forgot na I love dark lips kasi aminin nyo yung mga nakaraan, if you follow me, parang, alam mo yun, maano ako, ma-nude, ma-fresh-freshan lang, lip tint, ganun. And now, parang na-inlove ulit ako sa full pigment, super powerful na, alam mo yun, liquid lipstick na matte and deep, dark, ganun. And ito yung pinakamatapang yung amoy. I can still smell it. I kind of taste it. So, this is Mocha Inventor. So, ayan yung difference niya sa ibang shades. Alright guys, so yun na ang lahat ng swatch ng Maybelline Superstay Matte in Coffee Edition. Again, alam niyo na yung mechanics on how to win your very own collection. By the way, kung nandito ka lang sa Manila area, I might be the one to deliver to you directly. So alam mo yan, pwede tayo mag-picture and everything. Kung nandito ka lang sa Manila, not Metro Manila, but Manila. Okay? If taga QC ka, I'm not sure. Just go, ang lawak ng QC. Pero if you're here in Manila area, lalo na kung nandito ka sa Tondo area, I might be the one to actually deliver to you. And we can take a photo, of course, social distancing and everything, but you never know. Pag ikaw nabunot ka. Okay? So, thank you so much for watching this video. If willing ka maghintay ng 1 week, baka ikaw manalo nito, diba? Pero, pwede mo nang bilhin to sa Lazada. And wait, check ko sa Shopee. Parang hindi ko pa siya matatanaw sa Shopee. So, I'm not sure kung meron na siya Shopee. But definitely sa Lazada. Go sa Lazada. I'm gonna link it down below. So, that completes this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye! Dahil ang sarap talaga nito. So good. Kala ko magkakulay.